Hey Francisco, what we got going on?
Well, this is a 1955 Eldorado, I think it's called a Brougham, something like that. From what I understand, from one guy, they built 500, somebody else says they built 700, and they were built in Italy. I did not know that when I took the job on, but I wouldn't have taken it on because we ended up manufacturing everything for the car. Let me give you an example, and I should have showed the video earlier. Okay, so we custom made this bracket. And these bolts right here, we made them to hold them in place because these airbags, when they came in, were being cut and they were not working. And they had a pump, they had a Mickey Mouse pump. We bought this pump and we're gonna custom make the hoses and we're gonna put it in a place behind here where he's not gonna be able to hear it. I'm gonna show you real quick the back also. The back airbags were actually a lot worse than the front ones. We also, this was right here. They were not in place, they were falling out. We custom made these brackets. We custom made the adapters, and so that now they're working. When this came in, the airbags were falling apart, they were loose, and I'm gonna give you an update later on the rest of it. We did a lot of electrical work on it. I'll give you an update later, okay?
Sounds good.